quick feedback. So meda nimeiangalia, I think the voiceover iko freshi. I mean, as far as how it sounds alright. Sounds pretty good. So the only thing is just the video, man. And let me increase this up really quick. So like, the video right here, over here, right now, it doesn't really go with the rest of the scenes, just because all the other scenes are like real videos kind of thing, I'll say. But this one is more of like what I guess it's not a real picture, so I would definitely change something like this. So 10 strangest facts about the Titanic sinking. So I'll put some like I'll choose that and see what is gonna give me. Nothing. Titanic itself, nothing. Ship, nothing. But I can type here ship sinking, and let's see what it's gonna show me. Now, as you can see here, there is quite a lot interesting pictures right here. So I'll just replace the first picture with this one right here. That one looks pretty good. So outside of that, I'll just go and look into every scene, and pretty much unachotry kutafuta ni video ambayo AI imegenerate. Angalia kama inaendana na mstari ambao upo on the scene. So I'll say this one looks pretty good. So hii wanaongelea kuhusu the year it was made. So instead ya kutumia video kama hii ya boti, naweza nikatafuta like North Atlantic Ocean and see if there is anything that interesting more than just that boat right there. So let's see. Let me just do a little trick over here. So I'm gonna just type it on and see if there's anything that's gonna come up. Or I'll say man, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm gonna try and go as much as I can. But I would rather use a picture like this, because it's just the ocean itself, and that's what it's talking about, an ocean. So I'll just go through the whole video, man, and just look for areas like this. So like tafuta video nzuri ambazo zina fit the scene. So kama hii inasema, how could such a massive ship sink so quickly? So naweza kwa search ship sink. Kitu kama hii video ya kwanza, I mean, I'll say it's pretty good compared to this one right here right now. So I'll just choose that and replace that. So once you click, it just moves it into the scene. So that's how easy it is. And then the next one, well, here are 10 strangest facts about. Okay, this one is pretty good. We got the same video as we have over here, which is not bad at all. So yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the video short right over here. Ilaya, so voiceover iko freshi. Try to kuangalia hizi scene, then kuangalia kama video ambayo inaonyeshwa ina match na maneno ambayo yapo hapa chini, na kama ule mfano mmoja niliokupa kwanza. So na tuseme kama hapa sehemu ya kushoto, kama uwezo kupata picha ambayo inaendana na maneno, then unaweza uka search anything over here, then itakupatia. Okay, mfano mwingine. So tunatumia picha kama hizi, right? Picha kama hizi, alafu scene 55 iko na picha tofauti, and inaongelea kuhusu the rumors is still around today and is used in many advertisements. So what's gonna be the best scene for this? Rumors is still around today. So acha tuone what Pictory has for us in folder. I mean, really, we could use a picture like this because it's talking about rumors. So acha ni replace hiyo na hii hapa. So I'm not gonna go through the whole thing, but you go ahead and do that, man. Mfano mwingine huu hapa. So there is no actual evidence of him placing anything on the board. So let's just search for a board, and you know, if there's, kama hamna video nzuri ambayo unaweza ka replace, then unaweza kutumia maneno placing something on a board. Maybe. Alafu acha ni search tuone kama itatupa kitu. Okay, tupa vitu lakini it's not what we're looking for actually. Okay, so evidence. Acha tuangalie evidence.